We ended up with 9 middle school youth who were incredible leaders already. We did our Learn, Do, Grow process focusing on water quality and filtration and those type of concepts with them was the science content. And we embedded leadership into into that science content and did activities with them for 6 hours. And we saw such growth from them in terms of their willingness to gel as a team, their willingness to explore different leadership concepts, and their willingness to lean in to discomfort with some different things. And they all, by the end of the day, were taking different leadership roles and reflecting really maturely on what they thought leadership meant.
It was a wonderful opportunity to work with 7th and 8th graders, which is a target audience that we're looking at to begin to introduce them into ag science and natural resource careers. We find that even though we work with career panels at the high school level, that middle school is really where we need to at least get a good, strong foothold so these kids have a better basis and understanding. It was a wonderful experience with the group. They did some great work together in terms of really moving from the morning where they thought they might have had particular tendencies as an introvert or an extrovert. By the end of the day, they gelled so well together and were so fun to work with. It was a great experience.
Today are super important for our 4-Hers as they are learning all sorts of exciting opportunities of things that they might want to do in the future. They also get to culminate tonight with a dance and banquet and enjoy some time together.
And it's just the uplifting spirits and the energy and the acceptance that everybody delivers. And you never know where your character is going to be. So joining Yellow kind of gives everybody an opportunity to understand their character and their development and growth to change and make a difference.
And it was an amazing day.